Former Des Moines Public School Superintendent Ian Roberts has been sentenced to 2 years in prison for falsely claiming to be a U.S. citizen and illegally possessing firearms. Roberts was detained by ICE officials in September of last year.
He pled guilty to the charges back in January. KCCI's Bo Bowman was in the courtroom this morning. Bo, what is next for Ian Roberts?
Well, Stacey, he does get credit for the time served onto a sentence, about 8 months that he served in the Polk County Jail since his arrest back in September. After that, though, after he finishes that 24-month service, his attorneys say he'll be handed over to immigration officials and await deportation. Former Des Moines Public School Superintendent Ian Roberts was sentenced to 24 months in federal prison Friday after pleading guilty to falsely claiming to be a U.S. citizen and illegally possessing firearms. Federal Judge Rebecca Goodgame Ebinger sentenced Roberts below the federal guideline range. Prosecutors were asking for a little more than 3 years. He was also given credit for the roughly 8 months already served in custody. Roberts addressed the court before sentencing, expressing remorse and asking for a chance at redemption.
He will be deported. He waived all of his rights, to which we put in our brief, to stop from being deported.
His attorney, Alfredo Parrish, means Roberts could spend only a little more than a year in federal custody before immigration authorities take over. Parrish says Roberts will then be taken to a detention camp awaiting deportation, which he says could take some time as deportation flights to Guyana only happen about once a year.
We're trying to do everything we can to expedite his return to Guyana.
During the hearing, Roberts told the judge he hopes to continue working in education after returning to Guyana, where officials have already been contacted about his return.
If he gets there and he's committed to it, he's going to do some wonderful stuff there.
As for how Roberts will be remembered in Des Moines, Parrish says opinions will remain divided. Supporters point to improvements made during Roberts' tenure and his work in struggling school districts across the country. Others say his criminal conviction overshadows those accomplishments.
And yet he got these kids to start back to school. He cut down on the violence. He met with gang leaders. I mean, superintendents don't do this kind of stuff.
Parrish there says he does not expect Roberts will appeal the ruling handed down today. We're live in Des Moines. Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.